Hey guys, I just walked into Dollar Tree and I see that they put some new Halloween decorations up. Guys, look at this sign. This is so adorable. With the potion bottles and the little jack-o'-lantern is 3D. And they have these little wooden signs. They had those last year. And they have both of the beware signs. And all of the foam tombstones. I'm not sure if these are the same ones. This one says Barry D Live. So they have a ton of those. They have the witch's legs stakes and they have them pointing in each direction in purple and orange. And this is a cute little witch's hat sign. And above that is this little jack-o'-lantern. Did they have those last year? I think I remember the ghost. I don't remember the jack-o'-lantern. And then this little sign reminds me of the one that they have now with the fall decor items, but this time they have it painted or decorated for Halloween, and it comes in purple or orange. Then they have these little foam signs, the jack-o'-lantern and the witch's hat. Look how cute the cat is with the pumpkin. They have the ghost. And then behind the jack-o'-lanterns, they have a witch's hat on its own. I tried to record audio in the store, but they were unpacking items and it was so loud in there. So when I listened back to the audio, you were not able to hear it. All you could hear were like the boxes and the packaging. So sorry about that. They have all of these same signs that they have had in the past. And then they have these large, like paper cutouts. And instead of it just being a sugar skull, it's a whole sugar skeleton. And then this one is like iridescent. And then the last one that they had, it looks like it's glow in the dark, but the packaging doesn't say that it's glow in the dark. So I don't think it does. I think it just looks like that. And they have these cute little drawstring bags. Have some more drawstring bags. And then they have more of these Halloween gels. I showed you guys some of these in my last video. This one was my favorite with the haunted house and the spooky tree. And they have these that say keep out. They have another one that says get out. And then they have the bloody handprints. They have more of the window decorations. Cute little monsters and witches and all types of Halloween decor. Look how cute that ghost is with the cupcake. And then all of these eyes looking out. You could do DIYs with those, and one with cute little dogs and cats on it. And then I showed you guys these wall borders. At this store, they only had those two. And then they have these door covers as well. And they also have them for windows. They brought back these pumpkins. They have these every year. black with the inside of it is orange, and then they have the orange one. These are really, really cute. You can turn it this way for Thanksgiving and then turn it around for Halloween. And it does have a little LED light in it. And they only come in orange and black. On the round display, I found these candle holders. This one with little jack-o'-lanterns. The purple one is the sugar skulls. And then this other orange one says trick or treat. The last one I saw was this black one that says Halloween. And that was it for Halloween decor. And then I saw this book. Look how gorgeous the cover of this book is. This is one of those adult coloring books. Really pretty, but I would just take the cover of that and put it in a frame and just be done. It's just gorgeous. I love that. Then I found this other one with mandalas in it. It also has inspirational quotes on every page, which I thought was a really nice touch. So you can do some relaxing coloring and then also get a little bit of wisdom. Those would make a great gift. And this is from the same company that made the other book. And then behind that, I found this one, which has all of these really cute little animal drawings in them. And you don't even have to color these. You could just take them out of the book and you could DIY with them or frame them. And then this one caught my eye. I think this is from a different, or it may be the same company. This one has mandalas as well. And then they have this one for henna. And right next to it was this one with a lot of henna designs in it. And then the last one that I saw was this one that looks like it's all about vacation or traveling. All about travel. That's cute. I found these two new rugs. My store doesn't have the orange rugs or the seasonal rugs yet, but they do have these, and I haven't seen these before. And they have restocked the gold baskets, and they do have all of them. They have the round ones, the short, deep baskets, and the long, shallow baskets. So if your store doesn't have them yet, keep an eye out. And then I saw that they have Clorox in the 11 fluid ounce bottles. And I saw some new slime. This one has dinosaur parts in it. And then the zombie one has zombie heads in it. You can't see what it looks like. Some of the packages are clear. You can see what's inside, but for these you couldn't. This one has mermaid shells, and then unicorn sparkle was the last one. And then over in the automotive department, I saw this new 64 ounce wash and wax concentrated mix. So I thought it was new, but I thought that amount for $1 was a good deal. And they have a bunch of motor oil and gas treater, bunch of stuff in the automotive department for your cars. And then up by the registers, I saw these adorable pins. And that's what I'm going to leave you guys with. Thank you so much for this super quick walkthrough. I'll see you in my next video, which will be a fall DIY. Take care, everyone. Bye.